I've been asked so many times how to borrow money from friends and family without ruining your relationship. Did you know that 25% of friendship end over money issue? Yet it's a pretty staggering statistic. But however, today we are diving into how to borrow money from friends without ruining your relationship. Hey guys, my name is Rahim. Welcome back. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In today's video, we will explore the delicate balance of borrowing money from friends and how to do it responsibly without ruining the relationship. Because I like borrowing money from friends because that means any return stays within the inner circle. Trust me, it is not as scary as it sounds. If you follow few simple guidelines, you can keep your friendship intact while getting the help you need and getting your friend richer along the way. So let's jump into it. All right. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. A lot of people hesitate to ask their friends for financial help because they're worried it might ruin their relationship. Here's the thing, you're not asking for help, but you're providing an opportunity firstly to your friend. And honestly, that isn't fair. Money can complicate things, right? You might think, what if they say no? Or what if I can't pay them back? This creates a real dilemma for those who are in need of an investment. You want to maintain your relationship, of course, but sometimes life throws curveball at you and we just need a little help with our investment. So how do we navigate this tricky situation without losing our best friend? So it's important for you to understand that before you borrow that money from your friend, make sure you know where that money is going and you're going to get a return you anticipate to get. So now let's explore some of the key strategies for approaching your friend. First off, you've got to set clear terms and conditions. Be upfront about how much you need and why you need the investment. It is important to communicate openly about the situation as well so they understand where you are coming from, what return are you making, and how much they're going to get. Next, be mindful of their feelings as well. After all, they are your friend, not a bank. Consider how they might feel about lending you money. You don't want them to feel like you're putting them under pressure or feel uncomfortable. Get them to understand that there's a return for investing and you're going to be giving them interest or share profit in whatever the investment is. Another great tip is to suggest a repayment plan. This shows that you are serious about paying them back their money and that you respect their generosity to help you grow. Maybe you can offer to pay them back in installment or set a specific date. It's all about keeping that communication flow and making sure both of you are on the same page. Telling them what their return is, when they expect to get their money, if it's a monthly payment, what date do you meant to pay them every single month. And don't forget to express your gratitude. Thank them. Whether they can help you out or not, a simple thank you goes a long way because it gets them to understand that you're there for a friendship. Your friend will appreciate that you value their support, even if it is just emotionally, especially if they're emotionally involved with you. So here's the most important insight I can give you. Treat the loan like a business transaction. It is a business transaction. I'm hoping that you're not borrowing the money to go on holiday. You're borrowing it to buy investment properties. So make it a business loan. I know it sounds a bit cold, but hear me out. By treating it like a serious business loan you got from a bank, you maintain respect and boundaries between you and your friend with the relationship. This means putting everything in writing. Yes, of course. Even with your best friend, outline the loan amount, repayment terms, and any interest if applicable or profit share. This way, there are no confusion or no hard feeling later on. By creating this structure, you're showing that you are serious about the investment and that you value their friendship enough to be transparent, and they understand exactly where their money is invested and the return. When you approach it this way, it helps lower the emotional stake, making it easier for both of you to navigate the situation without any awkwardness. It's all about keeping it professional while still enjoying the personal connection. When it's time to talk about those loans, the finances, be truthful and be professional about it. I hope this helps you. So to conclude, to summarize, borrowing from friends can be done successfully by transparent and respectfulness, communicating openly, setting clear terms, treating it like a business loan you got from the bank allows both parties to feel comfortable. Remember, they borrow you this money based on trust, not based on your strategy, hopefully. Remember, it's all about preserving that friendship while getting the support you need. So if this video has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, or perhaps you want to comment on this video to let us know whether you've ever used a family or a friend to borrow you money to expedite your investment going. So let's get to chat about it on the comment section below. And don't forget again to subscribe to the channel. I look forward to sharing the next one. Thank you.